Hello, today I'd like to talk to you about our Mercedes-Benz prepaid maintenance plan. If you have recently purchased or you're planning on purchasing or leasing a Mercedes-Benz vehicle, we can tailor this plan to fit your driving habits and your schedule so that you will always stay current on recommended maintenance, while also helping to preserve your vehicle's safety and performance. By purchasing the Mercedes-Benz prepaid maintenance plan, you're locking in maintenance costs at today's prices, saving on routine maintenance costs, including parts, labor, and taxes. This plan keeps your car up to date with your Mercedes-Benz factory recommended maintenance. The Mercedes-Benz prepaid maintenance plan is also transferable to another owner in a private sale, thus helping to enhance the resale value of your vehicle. This plan provides you with excellent value and peace of mind, all while enjoying your new Mercedes-Benz. If you have any questions, please ask your sales consultant or finance manager here at Mercedes-Benz of Marin.